Welcome to ZTRADEZ. So I'm going to go over, I know it's kind of overwhelming when you come in the server, there's many channels, so I'm going to explain what each channel is and what its function. Over here it's self-explanatory. We have announcements, we have winning trades, all the knowledge that's poured into the members here, they get to shine in the winning trades channel. Now we have options under this category right here. We do have equities that don't have anything to do with options as well, but we do post great chart setups on mini equities as well as ETFs. So we have scalps over here. This is where scalps are made. Sometimes these turn into swing trades. So I myself or any other of the moderators will post what we're taking. When you see that siren right there, that little alert emoji, that means with an at here, that means myself or one of the moderators has entered something, right? With the finger pointing up, that's an update of the price contract, right? So let's just go over it real quick. Netflix sent 610 call at 272 bucks, right? Stop limit at 260, so we're risking 12 cents. Expiration date 122. It's a scalp fast play. I sold 2 out of 3 of my contracts at 303, right? Out all but one at 340, and out the last one at 365 bucks from 272. Down here we have unusual options activity day trades, right? So we use a unusual options activity scanner for TOS, which is available to the group, to all the members. It's pretty self-explanatory as well. The accuracy in here is very, 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 very high. You can see it's just win, 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 win. We have a loss there on Disney, but the accuracy is great here. So you can see again, there's the alert emoji. Baidu 205 calls for 1231 at $330. Very risky. And it ended up going up to $1,523. A great return on that trade. So we like to show traders, teach traders, and then show them what the knowledge that we pour out into everyone can do in these channels. UOA swings, we're using unusual options activity scanners for TD Ameritrade. And in this channel, there are not exits called, just like UOA day trades. There are not exits called. I don't call when I'm getting out. I'm simply just posting information that I've obtained from the unusual options activity scanners. I'm going to post what has really, really high call volume or put volume, and I'm going to post it. I only post very far out expirations here on stocks that don't have a lot of theta. If it has heavy theta, then I usually do not want to hold something like that long term. Baidu, this was called a very long time ago. This is probably one of the best trades we've had at $184, and it went here to 7,900. Ended up going to 10,200. So you can see that below was a reply to this message, right? When there's a finger pointing up, it's replying to as a price update of the contract to what the original options trade idea was. Swings, I do get in all of these, and I do post when I'm getting in, when I'm getting out, when I'm trimming them. Yeah, so that's pretty self-explanatory. And then we have member picks. Some of our best members like to post what they're trading in here as well. We have another trader here. He's been with us a very long time. He likes to post what he's taking. We have spreads over here, swings. We have spread day trades. We have our Trader 8 analysts over in here. They like to post what they're taking as well. When it's green, that means they're buying something. When it's red, that means they're getting out. Same thing with Eva Panda. She's a fantastic trader as well, very accurate. And we have penny stocks over here. Most of these are swing trades that I post. Investing theories in here. as well. You know, when it comes to investments, I'm not like all these people on YouTube that, you know, they're buying some brand new EV company and they're putting their whole account in it. That's what all these young, you know, 20-year-old kids are doing on YouTube and stuff like that. I'm using following professional methods, right? The three fund portfolio, or maybe an example of you know, adding some other currencies as a hedge in there. For instance, I'm in the Swiss franc, which is a hedge basically against the dollar that's diving very, very fast. So there's also, I post fantastic different investing portfolio ideas that have data to back them up. Large cap swings, I haven't lost so far. I have not lost since I've opened this channel. Large cap is very, very easy to trade. So I do trade out of my IRA in here, and this is a great channel, and you can really see the knowledge that we pour in here in Z Trades to all our members shine. We got Nitro. He does penny stocks, scalps, and swings as well. He's a great trader. Usually trades for the first 2 hours of the day. We have Forex down here, and then we have our unusual options activity. This is delayed 15 minutes. We are complying with the regulation from OPRA, and so it is delayed 15 minutes, but that's okay because you know, if I'm seeing multiple puts come in on, I don't know, Snapchat for 2 months out over and over and over and over, they may be onto something. Same thing over here. The golden sweeps is just options where there's unusual options activity. That's over $1 million dropped on a call or a put. Again, this is compliant, and it is 15 minutes delayed. We have AI signals as well. This is things with dark pool as well as high call activity or put activity. Green for call, red for put. We have our chat room down here and all our investing chat, spread chat. We trade live every day right here. The whole day we are live. And we even have a watch list. So for options, right, same with Forex, penny stocks. With options, I like to post. I filter the news because I can tell what's good news or bad news, and a lot of new people just don't get it. You know, Apple says they have a new a new screen on their iWatch, and new investors bought, oh my God, it's going to the moon. They don't understand because they haven't been around long enough. But I post really good news in here that I believe will push a stock, right? Upgrades if the market's bullish. We've been bullish for the past how many months now? 6 months with little dips for a week or so. So I only play calls. And when the market dips, I don't take anything and I wait to buy calls right now because we're in a bullish market. It would make sense to buy calls on things. And I post, that means I'm posting upgrades. If the market's bearish and downtrending, then I'm only going to focus on playing puts. That's it. I go with what the market's doing. I don't trade against it, which new traders lose on. They buy puts when things are high, call when things are low, ignore the trend. They don't understand. I do. So right now we're bullish. I'm posting upgrades. A lot of these had blown up this day. Fantastic news out here as well. I put a watch list out, which is mainly news or technical analysis, and I post upgrades most of the time. There's something that I will post every day before the market opens. Also, I share my screen so traders can see what I'm looking at live. And at the very bottom of the chat, we do have custom indicators that have been tailored for certain situations and certain conditions that can do certain things and help us judge where a stock's going to go. And this is available for the diamond members as well as the gold members. And then over here we have diamond mentoring. There's one-on-one mentoring maybe 3 days a week And that's unlimited mentoring as long as it's after hours for our diamond members. All the scripts are shared with them. We teach them how to use indicators, the custom scripts that are not available anywhere else. We teach them where to get news, how to get news, what to look for, all the different forms of trading, right? From catalyst, from technical analysis to flow trading to price action momentum. Um, uh, we go over all that with our traders and help them identify the different types of trading and when to use price action, when to use price action and momentum, flow, all that. How to judge if something's great for a swing, what time frames to look at, and what to look for on a 5 minute. How to judge market conditions and things like that. We teach them all the tips and tricks. So enjoy your free trial, and if you have any questions, feel free to come all the way up to the top, and there'll be a help ticket, and you can create a ticket there.